puzzle subscription, YouTube videos now can add interactive questions in the form of a Google Classroom assignment. In your Google Classroom, simply click Create in the Classwork tab. Go down and click on the YouTube icon. And here you can post the direct link to a YouTube video you found or search by idea as well and watch and vet a video that works for you. Here I have a video that I've previously used to create some questions. As you can see in the timeline, the type of question and when it pops up. In this one, we have multiple choice where you can identify the correct answer and it can auto grade. Here I have an open-ended question, which asks them to think a little bit deeper about a process using MLA citation. And here I ask them to connect the dots to all the different things that this particular feature can do. So checkboxes and multi-choice, multiple choice, are able to be auto-graded if you identify the correct answer. Then you can finish and assign this. If you want to see it as a student, it has that option up there. We'll turn that voice off and we'll move up to the first question. Oh, it stops the video and asks the question. Under what heading can you find the citation function? Of course, that's under tools. Let's submit. And I got it right. So that's what it's going to look like for the students. When you're done, simply click attach. And now you have your interactive video ready to be assigned in your assignment. If you want to look at previous videos you've made or practice sets you've made, there's a new tab up on the left here called Resources. Here, you can see video assignments you've made. These are videos that already have questions attached to them or practice sets that you've made. The nice thing now is that not only can you both add questions to a video and use AI to generate multiple choice test questions in their practice sets, you can share them. So my other English 10 teachers may want to use that video and quiz, and I can simply share that link with them. And now they have access to it and they can make their own copy. Well, these assignments also can generate insights. So this is a practice that I've created and have had students use. But the overview is going to be very similar to what you're going to see in the insights of a YouTube video that you've asked questions on. It'll show you the student scores out of the amount of questions you asked. It'll indicate whether they got it right on the first try or on second or third tries, and then if ultimately they got it wrong. And then it'll actually give you some insight. And that tells you up here, if you look, how many students attempted these problems. So problem 7 and problem 9 were the pattern for this group. So I'm definitely going to want to go back and reteach these. And I might check in on some of these students listed here because they persevered through multiple attempts on many problems. So A, awesome, they got that grit. B, let's go back through and see if the data says anything, or maybe have a conversation with these students to determine what they might need further. So you've already used practice sets. You're used to these insights. You'll get the same kind of insight if you use the YouTube interactive videos as well. And they're all housed under resources. So you don't have to go and create a new assignment. You can make one here as well, as you can see. Practice sets are a little bulky, to get started with, which is why it's nice if a team decides to make some and then they share them together. They can share that work and then they can reuse as well. Same thing with the videos. You may find that useful to have as a team effort. And that way, ladies and gentlemen, you can build your self-directed learning and opportunities for reteaching while also getting insights for where your students are struggling in the content that you're offering. Hope this helps.